Hello friends, I am Yogeshwari, student of Ayanadar Janakiyammal College, Sivagasi. At present, I am doing my MCOM CA. Our author, head of the department of MCOM CA, Mr. R.D.Sivakumar, MSc MPhil, and myself present a paper on Web 2.0 social media and e-learning. Web 2.0 social media and e-learning describes how the types of tools people use for internet-based communication are in their second generation. Introduction. Web 2.0 is a new version of World Wide Web. It defines websites beyond the static pages of earlier website. It allows users to interact and collaborate with each other in a social media dialogue as creators of user-generated content in a virtual community. Online applications of Web 2.0. Supporting social network. User can create website, self-publishing platform, tagging and social bookmarking. And second, online collaboration. Users can provide the data that is on a website and exercise some control over the data. These sites may have an architecture of participation. Learning. A non-comprehensive list of Web 2.0 tools includes blogs, live chat, social network, online profiles, and learning management system. When teaching and learning aims to take advantage of the internet activities that foster an understanding of the role and impact of social network become crucial. Tremendous value in using Web 2.0. Increase in student involvement and they feel personalization of learning, making real-world connections. Features of Web 2.0. Web 2.0 websites allow users to do more than just retrieve information by increasing what was already possible in Web 1.0. They provide the user with more user interface, software and storage facilities. Although their browser, this has been called network as platform computing. First, classification of information. Users can provide some data. Web 2.0 is automatically exercise some control over the data. Rich experience. Web 2.0 provides rich user experience, user participation, dynamic content, metadata, web standards and scalability. And contribution. Web 2.0 offers all users the same freedom to contribute. Participation. Web 2.0 offers all users having the same freedom to participate, while this opens the possibility for serious debate and collaboration. It also increases the incidence of spamming and trolling by unscrupulous or misanthropic users. Trust. Web 2.0 requires radical trust by the management. The concepts of Web 2.0. Web 2.0 can be described in three parts. The first part is RIA. RIA stands for Rich Internet Application. It defines the experience brought from desktop to browser, whether it is in the form of graphical point of view or usability point of view. WOA. The second part is WOA. WOA stands for Web Oriented Architecture. It is a key piece in Web 2.0 which defines how Web 2.0 applications expose their functionality, provide a set of much richer applications. Example are feeds, RSS, web services and mashups. Web. Social web. Social web defines how Web 2.0 tends to interact much more with the end user and make the end user as an integral part. The techniques of Web 2.0. Search. Finding information through keyword search. Second one is links. connects information together into a meaningful information ecosystem, and it provides low barrier social tools. And third one is authoring. The ability to create and update content leads to the collaborative work. In wikis, users may extend, undo, and redo each other's work. Extensions. Software that makes the web on application platform as well as a document server. This includes softwares like Adobe Reader, Adobe Flash Player, Microsoft Silverlight, ActiveX, Oracle Java, QuickTime, Windows Media. Signals. The use of syndication technologies such as RSS to notify users to content changes. Technology of teaching. The technology of teaching refers to the instructional approaches that are very systematically designed and applied in very precise ways. Such approaches typically include the use of well-defined objectives, precise instructional procedures based upon the task that students are required to learn, small units of instruction that are carefully sequenced, a high degree of teachers' activity, a high degree of student involvement, liberal use of reinforcement, and careful monitoring of students' performance. Technology used in education. Various technologies are used to facilitate e-learning. Most e-learning uses combination of these techniques including blogs, collaborative software, and virtual classrooms. Audio. Recent technologies have allowed classrooms teachers to stream audio over the internet. There are also webcasts and podcasts available over the internet for students and teachers to download. Video. Video allows teachers to reach students who are visual learners and tend to learn best by seeing the material rather than the hearing or reading about it. Blog. Blogs allow students and teachers to post their thoughts, queries, opinions, and comments on a website. Webcams. The development of webcam has facilitated the creation of virtual classrooms and virtual learning environment. Virtual classrooms with such technology and also provide the benefits of being easy to set up. Whiteboard. Interactive whiteboard are also called as smart boards. Allow teachers and students to write on their touch screen, so learning becoming interactive. Screencasting. Screencasting is a recent trend in e-learning. There are many screencasting tools available that allow users to share their screens directly from their browser and make the video available online so that the viewers can stream their video directly. Computers and tablets. Computers and tablets allow students and teachers access to websites and other programs such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, PDF files, and images. Mobile devices. Mobile devices supports learning. ICT. The ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. ICT concerned with the storage, manipulation, transmission, receiving of digital data. Importantly, it is also concerned with the way these different users can work with each other. ICT tools. Laptop and computer. In schools and colleges needs to provide them either of this tool because students may find resources for themselves. Interactive whiteboards. As the title says, it is interactive. Students can get involved with a whiteboard. Teacher can control over the board. Educational games. Students can use it to have a fresh mind before starting the day or after a long day. Intranet. College and schools should create a website. Students can get useful information from the website. Online forum by the websites, fun, discuss some informations or serious issues in the forum. Ebooks. Ebooks. Access to resource outside library. E-learning. E-learning is an electronic learning. E-learning is the use of technology to enable people to learn anywhere and anytime. E-learning can include training, the delivery of just-in-time information, and guidance from experts. Modules of e-learning to be divided to form submodules. The submodules to be automatically structured. The submodules to be systematically linked. And this is one of the example of e-learning website homepage. E-learning approaches. The extent to which e-learning assists or replaces other learning and teaching is variable. The first one is synchronous learning. Synchronous learning occurs in real-time learning with all participants interacting at the same time. Synchronous learning involves the exchange of ideas and information with one or more participants during the same period of the time. A face-to-face communication is an example of synchronous learning. Asynchronous learning. Asynchronous learning uses technologies such as emails, blogs, wikis, and discussion board, as well as web-supported textbooks, hypertext documents, audio-video courses. As the professional education learning, training may also include virtual operating system. Linear learning. Linear learning, it's also called computer-based learning or training, refers to the self-paced learning activities delivered on a computer or handheld devices such as a tablet or smartphones. Collaborative learning. Computer-supported collaborative learning uses instructional methods designed to encourage or require students to work together on learning tasks. Classrooms allows for students and teachers to work collaboratively, discuss some ideas. And social media. Social media can help bring students together, support teaching and learning, even leverage of a global community of informations and idea sharing. Social media in e-learning. IOL. The expansion of IOL is intra-organizational learning. How social media can be used to keep the employees up to date and up to speed on strategic and other internal initiatives and activities. The FSL. The FSL stands for Formal Structural Learning. How the educators as well as the students can use some media within formal education and training. GDL. The GDL stands for Group Directed Learning. How groups of individuals like teams, projects, study groups can use social media to work and learn together. PDL. The expansion of PDL is Personal Directed Learning. How individuals can use social media to organize and manage their own personal or professional learning. And ASL. ASL. The expansion of ASL is Accidental and Serendipitous Learning. It describes how individuals using social media can learn without consciously realizing it. Social media in training and learning. There are a number of tools users can use to include social media in education, and almost all of them are free. The social media consists of a number of online tools and platforms where people share their perspective, opinion, thoughts, and experience. Twitter. Twitter can be used as a back channel to connect students or large learning communities around a topic or event. For example, Twitter feeds are often used at conferences to share highlights or make students about presentation individuals or attending. To use Twitter for users' online learning, just set up a Twitter account and let be user audience. Podcasting. It offers a way of individuals to selectively subscribe to audio content over the internet. Notification of new control is automatic, as the subscriber need not manually revisit a specific website to download new content. YouTube. YouTube is a wonderful resource for online learning. There is a wealth of free content on YouTube that can be used to support learners' lessons, but YouTube can also be social in that viewers to subscribe, rate the video and content. Private social network. E-learning services can help learners set up a private social network for institutions to connect students, staffs, or associations members. It provides ability to learn interesting facts about colleagues, share information and networks with people throughout institutions. Facebook. Facebook is a famous social networking site that has nearly 1 billion users all over the world. In the modern generation, you can find almost every student has an account in Facebook. The Facebook groups are formed for schools and colleges, and thus the website allows both the teachers and students to share their informations, post queries and answers, and set reminders about upcoming events, etc. Real-time benefits of online social network. Social constructivism. In the age of Wikipedia, knowledge is increasingly becoming a social constructivism rather than the domain of an individual expert. Social media provides an easily accessible tool for helping students to work together and create their own meaning in academic subjects, social context, or work environment. Breadth of knowledge. While shallowness of knowledge and connections were listed as one of the negatives of social media, but the flip side of the shallowness is the broadness of the knowledge and connectedness that students can experience through social media use. It is now easier than user to know something about almost everything in the world through Connected India. Additionally, students can be connected to a broader base of opinions on world views through instantaneous global connections. Technological literacy. All social media relieves an advanced information and communication technology that seamlessly work to build and support technological literacy. Connected learners to become valuable contributors to a connected global economy. Conclusion. Web 2.0 is about a revolutionary new ways of creating, collaborating, editing and sharing user-generated connect online. It is also about ease to use popular online destination that offers technology has never been easier or more accessible to all. Social network or popular online destination that offers students, lecturers, teachers, parents and businesses easy ways to build and maintain their relationship with each other. Thank you.